In this video, I'm going to talk about Finty's pricing and features. Finty is a 3-in-1 software package that combines accounting, repair shop, and inventory management. It comes with powerful features, and we're always working on improving it by adding new updates. Finty is budget-friendly, with great discounts available on annual plans, making it significantly more affordable than similar software. It is global and supports various currencies, and payments can be made easily using credit cards via PayPal and Stripe. For more details, visit Finty website and check the pricing page. After that, whenever your monthly or yearly subscription ends, you can renew your account using the renewal membership option. Now, you might wonder how many users can access Finty. When you purchase one account, 3 people can use the software, you and 2 additional staff members. This includes different usernames and passwords for each person. To add more users, go to the Users menu and then the Access service. By clicking New, you can easily add salespeople, repairmen, or other personnel and enter their details. If they work on commission, you can set their commission percentages. If you have more than 2 additional staff members who need access, just reach out to our support team. And for a small fee, we'll add as many users as you need. But remember, if your repairmen or sales staff don't need direct access, let's say only your accountant manages the calculations, you won't have to pay extra. You can still add your commission-based personnel for tracking without any additional charges. In short, you'll only need to pay extra if more than 3 people need direct access to the software. Finty comes with a lot of great features, and we frequently roll out updates that can help transform your business. Make sure to follow us on social media to stay up to date with the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching and stay safe.